Hi everyone. First and foremost, not sorry if you can't see my face, but I'm blind and I can't look in the viewfinder. And it's never been about what you can see on this channel anyway. It's always been about what you can hear, so there. So last week I announced that my editing software is not behaving itself and I really can't edit vlogs with it doing that. Well, I suppose I can, but I won't. I won't waste time editing like that. The good news is I do have plans to learn how to edit on a Mac. But do I need to go to bed already? But it's not that late at night. But anyway, between the fact that it's going to be a while before I'm ready to start editing on the Mac and the fact that my editing software is being dumb, and some things going on. Well, yeah, some things going on. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm considering doing something in the long run. I don't know how many years it's going to be before I do this. Yeah, no idea of a timeline or anything. And no idea for a timeline of when I'm going to tell you what I've got in mind. But I will say that when I do one of probably many trips to another state, a particular city in this state, I will know how to edit. And this is why you kind of need to edit. Listen to me. Anyway, I guess the point is I'm kind of taking an unofficial break from YouTube. Of course, I say that and then watch what I do. I'll probably end up coming up with all kinds of video ideas anyway. I'll just be using the phone for it. But I guess that's why I would call it an unofficial break. The point is, if I end up not showing up from time to time, I mean, that's what's going on. Between not knowing how to edit, between not really wanting to vlog because I don't know how to edit, and dealing with some things that I am not going to talk about on YouTube. I'm not going to say never, but it's going to be a long time if I do. I mean, everything's okay. It's just I've got, yeah, I've, well, first of all, I don't even know how to talk about it. Secondly, I don't really want to talk about it. Thirdly, I can't quit freaking yawning. At some point, I kind of committed to Thursday videos, and I'm going to try to do that. But if there comes a time when I'm not doing that, like I said, that's what this unofficial break is. One of these days I'll come out with a whole bunch of, maybe not a whole bunch, but I'll come out with new videos clearly edited. And that's when you'll know I've probably learned how to edit on the Mac, because I don't know what's gotten into my editing software, but it magically just decided that it was going to stop behaving correctly, and unless it magically decides to change back, I probably won't be using it anymore, which is disappointing because that was a good program while it lasted. Anyway, that was a whole bunch of rambling. The point is, I might be kind of sporadic here because of everything going on. Technological problems. Unspoken issues. And thank you for watching, and check out the description below for links to a great app that can explain people to trained agents and a couple of petitions that I'm supporting. And while you do that, I'm going to go to bed. I yawned my freaking way through this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, whatever, whenever it turns out to be. Bye.